our index fingers are in place, and you will hear me say that quite often. Let's cut our chicken breast. Let's hold down the chicken breast, and we're cutting, gracefully cutting.
A lot of noise. That means they're doing it wrong, right?
Gracefully cutting. Once you're finished cutting, rest the right wrist, lower the knife, and pivot that piece into your mouth. Remember, keep the fork
Face down.
downward. Okay?
Face down.
Let's cut
Right.
again.
I'm facing that.
Yes. Let's cut again. Slice gracefully. You're finished cutting that piece. Rest your right wrist. Pivot that piece into your mouth. Now let's get some mashed potato. Place the fork down on the plate and scoop the mashed potato onto the back of the fork.
Wow.
Rest the right wrist and pivot that into your mouth. Bruce, we're way ahead of you, Bruce. Now, let's get some rice. Turn the fork over, place it flat on the plate. Remember, index finger on the right. Place it flat on the plate. Turn the knife parallel to your body between you and the fork. Between you and the fork. And we scoop away onto the fork. Beautiful, beautiful. Now rest the right, hold on. Like this, parallel, like this, yes, yes. And scoop, bring the knife between you and your body, you and the fork, between you and the fork.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and scoop away. Good. Rest the right wrist and pivot.
Gotcha.
Beautiful. Now, let's say we want to pause, ladies and gentlemen. What's your pause position? That upside down V, making sure the jagged edge of the knife faces you, and make sure your utensils are hanging off the plate. Make sure the utensils are hanging off the plate.
I'm like this way, correct?
Absolutely.